Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Sixt. So let me take you to the website, which is sixt.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Sixt is a global mobility company offering car rentals, ride-hailing, car subscriptions, and vehicle leasing. Founded in 1912 in Germany, it operates in over 100 countries, providing premium vehicles and digital booking services through its website and app. So what you're waiting for? Come to their website, explore all about them, and book yourself a ride. Totally up to you. But that's not why we are here. But if I tell you you could earn money from Sixt, and you heard it right, simply join the affiliate program of Sixt and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And when you bring sales to them, you'll end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program? As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. To the consumers of which country can you promote in order to get commission? I found a list of countries. So these are Argentina, Brazil, Canada, China, Chile, UK, and US. That means if you bring sales to Sixt from these countries as an affiliate, regardless of your country, you could end up getting commission. So long as you apply to the affiliate program, get the approval, start promoting them, and you bring sales to them. So let's learn more about the affiliate programs of theirs. For that, let me take you to the website called Rakuten Advertising. Now, why are we talking about Rakuten Advertising and what it has to do with Sixt affiliate program? So Rakuten Advertising is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brand and affiliate. So you as an affiliate have to join the respective affiliate network to be part of the affiliate program. So long story short, to join the affiliate program of Sixt, you should become an affiliate of Rakuten Advertising. How much would it cost you? Well, it's free of cost. As a publisher, or rather an affiliate, you don't have to pay anything to Rakuten Advertising. You can get yourself a free account with them. Now, what is a publisher? Rakuten Advertising call affiliate as publisher, so don't get confused. So to get an account with them, the affiliate account or rather the publisher account with Rakuten Advertising, simply click on Become a Publisher, which will take you to this page. This is the registration form. You can fill it up and get yourself an account. Now, I know that many nuances involved, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to do a sign up on Rakuten Advertising as an affiliate and how to use the dashboard, the affiliate dashboard. You'll find the link in the video description. Follow the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an account. Once you have an affiliate account with Rakuten Advertising, come to the website once again, hover over login, and ensure you're clicking on affiliate publisher, which will take you to the login page. Enter your credential, email address followed by password, and click on login, which will take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to find different affiliate programs, the affiliate programs of different brands, and you can apply to them, get affiliated. But we will only be talking about the affiliate program of Sixt. For that, you can hover over advertisers. You can click on find advertisers. Now, Rakuten Advertising call brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. When you click on find advertisers, this will take you to the section. Over here, you can search for SIXT, Sixt, and followed by a click on this search icon. It will locate the related affiliate program and will show it to you, Sixt Car Rental. You can click on View Offer, which will take you to the offer page of Sixt Car Rental, or you may also call it affiliate program page or the brand program page on Rakuten Advertising dashboard. Now over here, you can see more details. So let's look at the offer section and we can see 8% last click commission. You can also click on see full offer details, which will even show you more. So how much commission can you earn from them? You could earn 8% commission. That means whatever sale you'll bring to them, you could get 8% commission on that. That's amazing. Not just that, if anyone join their subscription or take their subscription, you could end up getting $300. Well, that's great, isn't it? Now, if you want to know more about the affiliate program, click on About, and this will show you more details. You can even click on Download and View Terms of Service, read it, and understand it. If you ever want to reach out to the affiliate manager of Sixt, you can simply write an email to them at this email address. Now, if you want to know the features and services, click on Features and Services, which will show you what they provide. They provide deep links, IDP version 2.3. You can hover over here to learn more about it, but to cut it short, deep links allows you to create tracking link. And they are not fine with paid search policies. Then if you scroll down, you can see gift cards. They don't provide commission on gift cards. They don't allow DSA, any downloadable software applications, they don't allow. Then if you scroll down, they provide coupons. And if you see down here, delivery options, you will see the list of the countries here. So these are the countries. If you bring sales to them from the consumers of these countries, you could end up getting commission. Okay, so you have read it all. Now you want to apply to the affiliate program. Simply click on apply. When you do that, it will open the terms and condition. It will ask you to read. Once you have read it all, you have understood it, click on accept terms and conditions and click on send request. When you do that, your application will go to the affiliate program team of SIXT Car Rental. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they will give you the approval, or they will take a decision on your application. Now, how long would it take? It will take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. Allow them this much time. Now, once you get the approval, you'll be notified by an email, and then you would be able to find them over here, over advertisers, my advertisers, which will take you to your approved list of brands. Over here, after getting the approval, you would be able to see them in here. In my case, in my test account, I got approval from Panda Hall. So assuming you get approval from SIXT, you would be able to see them in here. Once you find them here, now what? Now you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you get tracking link, or how do you create it? For that, you can hover over links. You can go to link tools, which will take you to this section. Go to deep links. You can choose your advertiser from here. Assuming you get approved from SIXT, you would be able to see them listed here. Select SIXT from there. And let's say if you want to create a normal tracking link, for example, of the homepage, you can take the homepage link, come to deep link section again, choose them from the advertiser list, click URL, click on destination URL, and click on create deep link. Now this will create a tracking link for you. But since I'm trying to create a tracking link for SIXT.com choosing the advertiser banner hall, it won't work. But if you choose SIXT from here and try to create link, it will work. Now, if you want to create an HTML link code, not normal tracking link, you can click on text link. You can put the URL in here. You can even choose a text to display, and you click on create deep link. And if you want to create an image link, or rather banner link, again, put the destination URL here, choose an image URL, whatever image you have in mind, just host it somewhere, take the URL from there and paste it in here, click on create deep link. Now, let's say if you don't want to create tracking link, but rather want to use existing tracking links, what do? In that case, you go to my advertisers. Once again, you will find SIXT here, click on the name, which will take you to the brand program page. Once you're here, you can click on links, and it will show you all the available kind of links you got. So they got text link, and this is how it will display. You see, this is a text, and you can click on view link to see the link code and everything. Same way, they got the banner links. So you see, these are the banners. So let's say if you want to use this one, you click on view link, and you will be able to see the link code. Now, if you want to see more, just click on see all banner links result, and it will show you all the banner links available for SIXT Rent a Car. Now, I understand, like once you click on it, you will see different options depending on whether you get the approval or not. So just to provide a demo to you, I'm going to show you how it looks like if you would have clicked on view more banner links. So as of now, we are looking at that section of Panda Hall, and you see these are all different kind of links. So the same way you would have seen for SIXT affiliate program text link, you can click on get link, and it will even show you more details for that specific link. For example, this is a text link of Panda Halls. Same way, if you would have clicked on get link code of SIXT tracking link, it would have taken you to something like this. You would have an option to click on view code, and you will see the entire code. You can copy it and integrate it from the backend of your website. Again, to cut it short, you find the SIXT name from here, the affiliate program, click on them, which will take you to the program page. Go to links over here, click on see all text link, or see all banner links, and then you will have an option to get link code, and just take the link code from there and integrate it at the backend of your website. Now you have learned how to create tracking link, or how to get the link code of your affiliate program, the affiliate program of SIXT Car Rental. The question arises, where can you promote them, or how exactly can you promote them? There are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is the website or blog. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website or blog you may have, you can just find a placement for them and put the Sixt banner somewhere on your website. It could work for you. Other way is to blog. Now you could write different blog posts about Sixt. Maybe you can write different blog posts about different services Sixt provide to different countries, to different consumers, and put your tracking link somewhere in your blog post. It could work. The second way is social media, which I think would be great because you could basically create different content on social media. It could be reels, video, post, and just post about Sixt and put your tracking link somewhere, either in the comment or within the content itself. So this way, when people would click on the link, when they buy something, when they book the ride or something, you'll get the commission. Third way is travel and tourism website. Now, I feel like travel and tourism website would be great here because people come to these kind of websites to learn about something to do with travel or tourism, correct? And if you are interested in travel and tourism, you definitely want to commute from here to there, correct? So maybe you create a standalone section on your website and just call it car rental. So when people would come, would click on car rental, they would be taken to a web page where they could see different services, different brands, including Sixt. So this way, when they find Sixt available there, they click on it, and if they book any ride, you'll end up getting commission. The question arises, where do you see your performance? For that, you can come to the dashboard once again, the bracket advertising publisher dashboard. Over here, you can hover over reports, go to performance, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can click on choose report, and you can run this report, revenue report by day or revenue report by month and year, and you would be able to see different things like transaction month and year, number of impression, number of clicks, orders, sales, and commission. So this way you would know how well you're performing. Now, all the commission that will get generated, Sixt will send that commission to Racket Advertising, and Racket Advertising will issue that commission to you. So you have to ensure you have updated your payment details, and for that you can hover over account, you can click on account details, which will take you to the section. Over here you can click on payment method, and it will load the available payment method for you. As of now, there are three options: check, direct deposit, and PayPal. But as of now, this feature isn't available in the new dashboard. So if you see it's not enabled, and if you see this message in the future, just click on go to legacy to make edits. This will take you to the old dashboard. But if you see this options available, then you can choose either check, direct deposit, and PayPal and update the information directly. Otherwise, click here, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can scroll down till the payment settings, click on edit. And once you're here, you have an option to click on direct deposit, update your banking details. You have an option to select PayPal, update your PayPal details, or click on check and select this option. So you can decide from one of these payment methods, and this way, whatever commission that will get generated, you can expect to receive it from Bracket Advertising. Well, there's one more thing: the payment threshold value. It is $50 minimum. So that means Racket Advertising will not be able to issue commission to you unless you have accumulated $50 commission in total. All right. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Sixt. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you on learning all about the affiliate program of Sixt. For me, if you got any question in relation to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.